Welcome to today's video. Christmas is just around the corner, and if you want to decorate your home beautifully without spending too much, you are in the right place. Today I will share simple, cheap, and stunning Christmas craft decoration made with jute, twigs, pine cones, old ornaments, and everyday items. And along with these craft, I will tell you a trending, heart-touching Christmas story that is inspiring people all over the world. So sit back, relax, and enjoy this magical craft and story journey. For our first craft, we are creating a beautiful rustic star ornaments using only twigs and jute rope. Take 5 equal length twigs and arrange them in the shape of star. Now tie every corner tightly with jute twine. Wrap the jute randomly around the star to give it a warm rustic look. Add a small ribbon or a bell in the center if you like. This ornament is extremely cheap but looks very classy on Christmas tree and walls. Rustic craft like these are trending a lot this year because they bring natural beauty into your home. Next, take a large pine cone and place it upside down. Paint the tips, highlight gold to give a snowy look, and teeny beads ornaments or cut small jewel bows and glue them around. Place the pine cone on a small round wooden slice or jar lid. Just like that, your mini Christmas tree is ready. This is perfect for table decor, side tables, and gifting. The natural texture of pine cones makes the decoration extremely beautiful and warm. Now, while we continue crafting, let's begin today's heart-touching Christmas story. This is a story of a little girl named Ella who lived with her mother in a small town. They did not have much money, but they have big dream and warm hearts. Every Christmas, Ella loved decorating a small wooden bladder outside their home with handmade ornaments. This ladder had belonged to her father who passed away when Ella was only 5. Every year, Ella would decorate to it feel close to him. But this year, things were different. Ella's mother lost her job a few months earlier. The Christmas decorations this year were almost impossible. Ella looked at the empty ladder and I wished something magical would happen this Christmas. That evening, she found a small envelope under the ladder with a note saying, "Decorate this ladder tonight, magic is on its way." Ella was confused but excited. She used old twigs, pine cones, and pieces of jute to decorate the ladder just like her father used to. Little did she know someone was watching. The next morning, Ella woke up to a surprise. In front of the ladder stood her neighbor holding gifts, food basket, and decoration. What Ella did not know was that someone had shared her story in the local community group. People came together to bring joy to her family.